Are you looking for the best mouse sander? In this video, we will break down the top 4 mouse sanders on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Medark 13500 RPM Mouse Detail Sander. Medark is a popular manufacturer of woodwork tools. We feature its 13,500 orbits per minute sander as the second one on our review based on its numerous features that outshine its competitors. It's built for efficiency and boasts of having a 1 ampere motor. This makes it suitable for paint repair, sanding, and polishing smaller areas. As such, it's a great sander for any DIY enthusiast. Besides, it comes with an ergonomic handle design. The handle is wrapped in rubber for comfortable use. You can use it for a prolonged time without your hand feeling fatigued. To add to that, the rubber handle reduces vibrations such that you'll find it easier to work with the tool. Another top feature of this sander is its unique dust collection mechanism. Its dust collection port collects the dust that results from sanding to keep the work area free of dust. The buckle design of the dust collector box prevents it from falling off the tool when working. Thus, you can use this tool indoors without the stress of dealing with dust. Another benefit that comes with this sander is its rubber handle. It's designed to reduce vibrations when holding it with your hand for enhanced comfort and reduced fatigue. At number 2. Genesis GMT15A Oscillating Tool. The Genesis GMT15A is going to function a little bit differently than some of the other units on the list, but will be great for rounding out edges. One of the first things that we noticed about the Genesis multi-tool is that it features an impressive motor that is capable of delivering 21,000 oscillations a minute. With that sort of speed, users should count on quick and accurate work. The tool also features a sturdy, cast aluminum housing, and a more versatile range of functions. With this tool, you will also be able to make small cuts in drywall plastic or wood. In terms of cons, there isn't very much to speak of. One thing that we noticed is that the control switches are a little bit flimsy, which could cause problems down the road. Also keep in mind that this is a jack of all trades, master of none sort of tool. If sanding is your top priority, you may think of getting something dedicated exclusively to that purpose. These things aside, it is a versatile alternative to the traditional sanding options on this list. At number 3. Porter Cable PCCW201B Sheet Sander. A great cordless detail sander option from another brand is this one from Porter Cable. The variable speed setting lets you adjust from 9,000 to 11,000 orbit per minute so you can use the right speed for the task at hand. It has a low profile, a rubberized grip that makes it easy to control and maneuver into tight spaces. The dust collection system on this one is pretty impressive. The vacuum port hooks up to any 1¼ inch hose, or you just use the included collection bag and empty it as you go along. Just in case anything escapes, there's also a dust-proof switch to protect the internal components and extend the life of the tool. This is a bare tool, which means the battery will need to be purchased separately. It does, however, include the dust collection bag, sandpaper, and replacement sanding tips, as well as a 3-year limited warranty. At number 4. BLACK+DECKER BDEQS 300 Electric Sander. This Black & Decker tool can sand with a clearance of 270 degrees, and that is flush sanding. This compact sander will not let you down. Most noteworthy is its filtration that is 3 layers to pick up the most amount of dust. This helps keep your workspace clean. Another feature is the on and off paddle switch that is easy for you to reach while using the tool. The BLACK+DECKER electric sander has a padded grip to help you get the best details in your work. Finally, this little tool packs a big punch with a motor that is 2.0 amps.